A local university reaches a major milestone as it tries to reduce energy costs and shrink its carbon footprint while engaging students in the environment at the same time.
We've all seen those creaky old windmills on farms, and although they may seem about as low-tech as you can get, those old windmills are the predecessors for new modern wind turbines that generate electricity.
The wind turbine is part of a major energy makeover on the campus, a very large investment with tremendous benefits. It's hard to miss as you drive through the UMass Dartmouth campus. This wind turbine is an impressive sight and is a symbol of greater things here.
The same wind that used to pump water for cattle is now turning giant wind turbines to power cities and homes.
The 600 kilowatt turbine will produce the same amount of energy annually as burning 39 tons of coal, and the university will save $100,000 to $125,000 per year.
Educators say the wind turbine project will help students become more educated on sustainability and new energy technologies.
You've got a lot of physics, a lot of math, you've got electronics, you've got environmental and atmospheric conditions that you have to consider.
Okay, here's how it works. First, a wind turbine blade works sort of like an airplane wing. Blowing air passes around both sides of the blade. The shape of the blade causes the air pressure to be uneven, higher on one side of the blade and lower on the other. And that's what makes it spin. The uneven pressure causes the blades to spin around the center of the turbine. On the top, there's a weather vane that's connected to a computer to keep the turbine turned into the wind so it captures the most energy. Now the blades are attached to a shaft which only turns about 18 revolutions a minute, and that's not nearly fast enough to generate electricity by itself. So the rotor shaft spins a series of gears that increase the rotation up to about 1,800 revolutions per minute. And at that speed, the generator can produce a lot of electricity. So why are wind turbines so tall? Well, the higher up you go, the windier it is. More wind naturally means more electricity. And in many cases, larger turbines can also capture wind energy more efficiently. The blades can sweep a circle in the sky as long as a football field.
The higher you go, typically the stronger the wind. There's a very nice relationship between height and wind strength. Wind has a tendency to be more turbulent near the earth, near the ground, so you want to get away where the wind is a little bit better, a little bit more stable. So you might use this to power a water pump, to pump water to cattle, or you might put it on a cabin in Cloudcroft. Any of those kind of uses are very common.
Now what's really cool is that even a small wind farm like this one in Wyoming can generate enough electricity to power more than 9,000 homes. And larger farms can provide much more clean energy for our homes and businesses.